If no routes are assigned to you for today, you can create one if you have permission. Once you create or select a route, it will open by default next time. If no route was selected and you have released routes planned for today, the earliest planned route for the day opens automatically. When you press the Plan Route button, you are taken to the route creation screen. Here, you can define the route key, route name, which is generated by default based on the current date, time, and trip number. The route start is set to your current location by default. The route end is set to return to start by default. You can tap the route start or end fields to choose a different location using voice search, address scanning, or manual address search. By tapping the vehicle field, you can select a vehicle from the existing ones in your environment, or create your first vehicle by selecting a relevant type such as van, truck, car, motorbike, or bicycle. You can also enter exact vehicle dimensions so they are considered during route optimization, helping avoid height-restricted bridges, narrow roads, and weight-limited areas. Once you press Create, the route is created, and you can start adding your first stops to it. Tap to add a stop opens the address search dialog. You can enter recipients' addresses manually, scan them, or use voice search to quickly add stops. Once an address is selected, the stop is added to the route, and a counter at the top of the dialog shows how many stops have been added. By default, all stops are created as deliveries, but you can change the stop type to a collection, pickup. You can also set a planned date and time, required time windows, stop duration, contact details, add or scan packages, include delivery notes, and define placement within the vehicle. Also, you can add placement in the vehicle later by pressing Load Vehicle on Route View page. After all stops are added, press Done at the top of the dialog. The route is then automatically optimized to calculate the fastest route. You can choose to follow the optimized route or keep your existing stop order, with timings and distance automatically updated based on current traffic conditions. All stops in the actual road view are displayed on the map, with blue icons for deliveries and yellow icons for collection stops. You can also add driver breaks, with route timing recalculated automatically. Once the route is planned, you can load the vehicle by opening the Actions menu and selecting Load Vehicle. Here, you can define package placement inside the vehicle and optionally add photos to help you quickly locate each package. When you are ready, press Start Route to begin. You will be taken to the Stop Details screen for the first stop, where you can navigate using your preferred navigation app such as Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. At each stop, you can create proof of delivery with remarks, a signature, and photos. Or simply mark the stop as completed. You can easily move through all stops until reaching the route end. On the route end screen, press Complete to finish the route and automatically continue to the next assigned route for today or plan a new one if none are available.